Masagi anabana maram oiraga layengduna leriba Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch ki miyoi ani hanagi chairman oinamdagi Irengbam Jugeshwar amadi life member Utlo Mayai Lekaidagi Huidrom Khomaida Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch ki Maikaidagi Angamba Selgi Mateng Pangkre Mateng Pangba aduda Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch ki Chairman Dr. Wahengbam Gulapi, Secretary Dr. Huidrom Roman, Joint Secretary Huidrom Shyamchand, Treasurer Thokchom Netaji, Life Member G Dhaneshwar Sharmana, Layengduna Leriba Miyoi ani ki yumda chatuna Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch ki member singna angamba mateng panglakpa senfam sing adubu tengbang oina khusinakhi. Akanba nong marakta Paris Olympics 2024 ngarang numidang haudokre Paris ki St. Francois da sanaroi lising taret rom na hi tongduna parade tawduna haudokhiba thoramaduda French Republic ki President Emmanuel Macron na Paris Olympics 2024 haudokle haine lauthokhi judo masana da ahumlak champion oikraba Teddy Riner na Olympic ki meira chukhatkhi India ki oina PV Sindhu amadi Sarat Kamal na luchingkhi Olympics ki puari da ahanba oina stadium ki mapanda amadi turel da hogdokpagi thoramasi handaki asina ahanbani ngasi ki schedule matung ina ngasi numit ungba matung pung 12:30 taba matamda Indian rower Balraj Panwar na men's single scull hit 1 da compete tawba hokre shooting da 11 Balarivan amadi Sandeep Singh loinena Ramita Jindal amasung Arjun Babutana 10 meter air rifle mixed team qualification gidamak matam asida compete tawgani nungtil pung 2:30 taba matamda Arjun Singh Chima amadi Sarabjot Singh na 10 meter air pistol men's qualification da saruk yagani Manu Bhakar amadi Rhythm Sangwan na numidang wairam pung 3 taba matamda 10 meter air pistol women's qualification da saruk yagani tennis masana da nungthil pung 3:30 taba matamda India gi pair Rohan Bopanna amadi Sriram Balaji na France ki Fabian Rebel amadi Edward Roger Veselin ga men's double first round match ta lamba taunaragani badminton da numidang pung 3 taba matamda Sutler Lakshya Sen ga Kevin Cordon ga men's single group stage match da thengnagani men's doubles category da India ge top pair oiriba Sakwik Sairaj Ranki Reddy amadi Chirag Sethi na French ki Lucas Corvi amadi Ronan Labarga numidang pung 8 taba matamda opening match da thengnaragani women's double category da Ashwini Ponapa amadi Tanisha Crasto na Korean pair Kim So Young amadi Kong Hee Yong ga ahanba group stage match da numidang pung 13:50 taba matamda thengnagani hockey masana da numidangi pung 8 taba matamda India ki nupa gi team ga New Zealand ga pool B match sa thengnaragani boxing da Preeti Pawar na Vietnam gi Voti Kim Anga women's kg 54 round of 32 da ahing nongyai pung 12:00 ani chatpa matamda thengnaragani Manipur ki Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren Singh na Defense Minister Rajnath Singh ga New Delhi da unaduna hauzik Manipur gi oriba fiba masigi matangda wari sana khibaga loinena infrastructure gi awata pa laiba singi matangda wari sana khre hairi CM Biren maha ki ex handle account da Defense Minister Rajnath Singh ga unaduna wata na khiba duda nungai ba phongdo khibaga loinena Manipur da hauzik thengnari ba awaba mayama sigi matangda paudam khre hairi Koirengai airfield gi lam oriba sibu Manipur state lengakta transfer tawbagi tangai fadaba laire haina su phongdorakli CM Biren mahakna thagalakhiba poster duda mahakna Rajnath Singh gi mafamda Koirengai airfield oriba lam asibu state government ta sinapina basu haizaram ki hairi Manipur gi hauzik oiriba irang asibu laksinabagi pandamda security force na chingamadi tampake chingnaningai oiba mafam singda makhata na thiba humbagi thabak chathabada Manipur gi tongan ba mafam dagi khutlai amadi lo na thingkhraba lalolup ki member ama faba ngamkhre haukiba pung 13 da Kakching district ki Kharungpat tagi fagatlaba khulai sing adudi magazine yauba carbine ama bolt action .303 rifle ani smoke cell ama SLR magazine ama Insans LMG magazine ama HE36 grenade manga kapayariba nongmai maru kuntrani thoi detonator manga ahangba case taret helmet ani BP base ama military belt ama mobile handset ani double blast smoke cell mari smoke grenade manga green signal grenade manga rubber bullet 38mm cartridge ani tear smoke cell taret tear gas stun cell manga ni Churchanpur district ki laika Mual Saudagi Pumpi ani amaga sufagat pangam ki haina Manipur Police Control Room dagi thadorok pa cherol amana khangalagli Kangpokpi district ki Vijang village tagi improvised mortar ama 9mm pistol ama single barrel rifle bolt action ani HE 36 hand grenade ahum improvised mortar round ahum ni nakal amaromda ngarang Imphal East district ki Thumbi Chingkhong dagi security force na lona thinkraba lalalulup KYKL gi Shri Mayum Rishikesh Sharma alias Loijing Chahikun Mathoi Laifam Chingarel Tejpur Imphal East Pufa Bangamki Mangondagi lethat gun ama lethat cell holder jacket ama loinena lethat cell taramathoi fagat pangamki High New Trap National Youth Federation HNYF na Assam gi registration oiba lamkoiba puba taxi singbu ngarang Meghalaya da changbada thingkre taxi sing adubu maru oiba tourist destination oiriba Sora amadi Dauki na chingba mafam singda changhankide Organization asina Assam gi registration oiba taxi sing adubu tourist destination oiriba mafam singda changba yaroi haina lauthokre thokaningda ba thaudok sing thoktana bagidamak police amadi district administration sing deploy tawduna thamkre Mari lainaba authority sing yauna HNYF na Assam gi registration oiba gari singbu changhankide Gangtok Peling amadi Namchi gi Wang Malansin duna atopa state ki tourist ki taxi sing changba yaroi haina phongdokre Nakalamaromda HNYF ki khongthang asibu Meghalaya gi tourism industry gi stakeholders singna condemn tawkre makoi gi thawong asina Sora amadi Dauki tamna lakhiba lamkoiba sing hankibagi machak ama oikhi hairi lamkoiba sing hankibana hotel booking toramba sing cancel tawkhibadagi state asigi revenue da mangjaba oire hairi Federation of Shillong Hotel nasu ngarang ayuk thokiba thaudok asina hotel book tawbagi chang chada Kuntra hanthaki loinana lam koibaga mari lainaba thabak singda chada yankai hanthakre haina phongdokre
impact, but we are worried now with the overall long-term impact because these kind of things, they don't impact only a short period of time, but it is a long term. And people come to the state. They plan their holidays coming to the state. They book their flights, they think. So what happened if now the season is coming? Now season is coming. The next 1 2 months, the season coming, and it will last till the New Year's. And in this season, if they started withdrawing, start going to other destinations, then there will be a substantial loss of footfall in Meghalaya.